Hi, welcome. I'm Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. This video that we're doing here now is for Rosha and her husband, who commissioned a drum from me, and now it's ready, it's dried, and it's ready to meet its new guardian. So here we go. This is the drum in question. So Rosha, this one's for you to have a look at. This is the drum that I've made for you. As we discussed, it's just over 20 inches. The Tree of Life design, an oak branch handle. The lacing is very, very, very dark, deep purple. So I hope you like that too. It's an ash frame, burst on the 13th of March. So as you can see, it's had a few weeks to settle in, dry out, and become ready for you. On the inside, I've burnt some Tree of Life designs as well to continue the theme through. On the front of the drum, there are some very fine little hairs on the front of the drum, which don't distract, I don't think, away from the skin, but they're just there as an extra added energetic connection with the animal, I feel. And often happens with horse skin, hide, you do get areas of white coming up in the skin as well, so that's quite nice, and it's predominantly kept itself to the edge of the drum, which is a nice feature. So as I say, the purpose of the video really is to give you a sound demo. So I'm going to use two beaters, a firm and a soft. I'm going to start with the firm beater. My apologies if all you can hear is running water. We've got a new water feature which is going off down the garden there, and I don't know whether the microphone's going to pick that up or not. Hopefully it won't distract too much from the sound of the drum. Okay, here we go. Beautiful. And the softer beater. So as you can probably, I don't know whether you could tell, I don't know whether you could pick that up on the microphone, but there is some multi-tonal different areas. You can get some nice variations in tone across the different areas of the drum. So yeah, so I shall send this video, link for this video along to you, Rosha, and some images as well, some close-up pictures so you can have a proper look. And I'll be in touch with you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.